Are you passionate about farming around the world? Welcome to Trending Farm, which takes you to farms and food factories around the world. In today's episode, we explain how European farmers are able to raise and process millions of cattle using cutting-edge technology. Let's get started. Cattle farms in Europe are highly regulated to ensure the health, welfare, and sustainability of livestock operations. These farms typically feature modern facilities that include spacious barns with climate control, automated feeding systems, and advanced waste management techniques. European laws, particularly under the EU Animal Welfare Strategy, require that cattle have sufficient space, clean bedding, and access to outdoor grazing areas. For example, EU Directive 98/58/X mandates that cattle should have at least 3.0 square meters of space per cow when housed indoors. Additionally, regulations like the Common Agricultural Policy, CAP, encourage farmers to implement sustainable practices, offering subsidies for reducing greenhouse gas emissions and water usage. Facilities must also meet strict hygiene standards, with regular inspections to ensure compliance with EU food safety laws. With these stringent requirements, European cattle farms are among the most advanced in the world, prioritizing both productivity and animal welfare. In European cattle farms, cow welfare is significantly improved through the integration of digital technologies, which streamline farm management and animal care. For instance, automated cow brushes, which rotate at speeds of approximately 26 RPM, allow cows to groom themselves, enhancing comfort and reducing stress. Additionally, automatic scales are used to monitor cows' weight with precision, measuring fluctuations as small as 1 pound, enabling farmers to detect early signs of health issues or adjust feeding regimens accordingly. Furthermore, wearable sensors and smart collars track each cow's movement, activity levels, and milk production, with some systems monitoring up to 300 cows simultaneously. These technologies not only ensure the well-being of the cattle by providing continuous monitoring and reducing manual labor, but they also increase productivity. In turn, this results in healthier livestock, more efficient resource usage, and improved overall farm performance, aligning with European Union regulations on animal welfare and farm sustainability. Controlling cow welfare has a direct impact on the amount of feed they receive on the farm, as monitoring their health and weight allows farmers to tailor diets to meet individual needs. Automated systems that track a cow's weight and activity levels help determine if adjustments in feed are necessary to maintain optimal health and productivity. When cows are healthy and comfortable, they have better feed conversion rates, meaning they require less feed to produce the same amount of milk or meat. The regular diet for cows typically includes a balanced mix of forages, grains, proteins, and minerals. Common feeds include silage, hay, corn, and soybean meal. Forage, which consists of grasses and legumes, make up 50 to 60% of a cow's diet, providing essential fiber for digestion. Grains like corn or barley are typically 20 to 30%, offering energy through carbohydrates. Protein sources, such as soybean or canola meal, usually comprise 10 to 15% of the diet, while minerals and vitamins account for the remaining 2 to 5%. This balanced approach ensures that cows receive the nutrients they need for milk production, growth, and overall health. By carefully monitoring welfare, farmers can optimize feed amounts, improving both cow well-being and farm efficiency. After cattle are raised to the required standards, they are transported to a food factory under strict regulations aimed at ensuring animal welfare and food safety. In Europe, cattle transportation is regulated by EU regulation, EC No. 1/2005, which outlines the specific conditions for moving livestock. The cattle must be deemed fit for transport, meaning they are healthy, well-fed, and able to stand unassisted. Transport vehicles must have non-slip flooring, adequate ventilation, and enough space to prevent overcrowding. For example, cattle weighing over 716 pounds must have a minimum floor area of 17 square feet per animal during transport. Additionally, for journeys exceeding 8 hours, specific rest periods are required, with animals provided water, food, and rest in approved facilities. Vehicles used for transporting livestock must also pass inspection and be certified to ensure compliance with these regulations. These standards help reduce stress and injury to the cattle, maintaining meat quality and adhering to European and animal welfare laws. When cattle arrive at the food plant, processing begins with careful handling to ensure efficiency and adherence to strict food safety standards.
Come on.
Veterinarians first inspect the cattle to confirm their health before they enter the processing stage. Inside the food plant, the animals are moved through a series of automated systems designed to minimize stress. The processing follows humane methods in accordance with European regulations. After processing, the carcasses are cleaned and inspected to ensure there is no contamination. The next step in the food plant involves separating the meat into different cuts such as steaks, roasts, and ground beef, using precision tools and technology. These cuts are then packaged in temperature-controlled areas to maintain freshness. Advanced refrigeration systems in the food plant keep the meat at the optimal temperature until it is ready for distribution. By using advanced technologies and adhering to strict hygiene protocols, the food factory ensures that the final product is safe, high quality, and ready for human consumption. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Trending Farm YouTube channel to explore more livestock farms and food factories around the world with us. See you again in the latest videos on the Trending Farm channel. In this farming documentary, the pig farming industry in the United States is a cornerstone of the nation's agricultural economy, producing over 130 million pigs annually and contributing significantly to global pork supply. Major pig-producing states include Iowa, which leads the nation with nearly 24 million pigs, followed by North Carolina, Minnesota, and Illinois. These states boast ideal conditions for large-scale farming, including access to grain and transportation infrastructure. American pig farming primarily uses modern, intensive methods. With operations ranging from small family farms to expansive facilities housing thousands of pigs. Transporting pigs to food factories in the farming documentaries begins with selecting healthy animals that meet weight requirements, typically between 240 to 280 pounds, ensuring they are ready for processing. Loading involves guiding pigs onto specialized transport trucks, equipped with 3-tier compartments, climate control, and anti-slip surfaces to ensure safety and comfort. These trucks often travel distances of 50 to 150 miles, depending on the farm's proximity to the factory, with routes optimized for efficiency. Upon arrival, pigs are gently unloaded into holding areas where they rest to recover from transit, ensuring calmness and reducing muscle fatigue before processing. Pig farms in the United States range from small operations with 500 pigs to large-scale facilities housing over 20,000. These farms are divided into areas for sows, breeding pigs, and piglets, with sows typically having individual stalls for breeding and farrowing, while piglets are raised in climate-controlled nurseries. The barns are designed with slatted floors for waste management and automated systems for feeding and watering. Farm owners describe managing 2 to 3 breeding cycles per sow annually and raising 8 to 12 piglets per litter as rewarding yet demanding. They highlight using technology to maintain biosecurity and ensure the health and welfare of the animals in this farming documentary. The pork processing process in modern food factories is streamlined with advanced machinery that enhances speed and efficiency. High-capacity processing lines can handle up to 600 pigs per hour, a significant improvement over manual methods that processed fewer than 100. Automated systems handle tasks such as cleaning, dehairing, and cutting, ensuring precision and hygiene. Bristle brushing machines and high-temperature sterilizers maintain food safety standards. workers, interviewed on site, highlight the importance of their roles in monitoring machines and maintaining quality. They express pride in contributing to a system that has transformed production, allowing factories to meet growing demand while ensuring product consistency. Producing smoked sausage in the United States involves advanced machinery and technology, with facilities often requiring investments of 5 to 10 million USD to establish state-of-the-art production lines in the farming documentary. These lines can produce up to 20,000 pounds of sausage per day, combining automated grinding, mixing, stuffing, and smoking systems. American smoked sausage stands out for its balance of tradition and innovation, using unique blends of spices and premium meats to create a distinct, smoky flavor. Unlike many countries, U.S., and producers employ precision-controlled smoking chambers and quality assurance systems to maintain consistency. This attention to detail makes American smoked sausage a global favorite for its taste and quality. Smoked sausage is a beloved part of American cuisine, with over 1.5 billion pounds consumed annually. This level of demand translates to billions in economic value, comparable to owning thousands of luxury supercars or massive reserves of gold and silver. Consumers appreciate smoked sausage for its signature smoky flavor, versatility in various dishes, and convenience, making it a favorite for both everyday meals and special occasions. The industry's success is often highlighted in farming documentaries, showcasing the meticulous process from raising pigs to crafting high-quality sausages. And these documentaries emphasize the dedication of farmers and producers, the advanced technology used, and the cultural significance of smoked sausage in the U.S. As demand grows, the industry continues to innovate, ensuring sustainable production and expanding its reach into global markets. With its strong foundation and widespread popularity, the future of the U.S. smoked sausage industry looks bright.
Thank you for watching the video. Are you having any problems with your livestock farming? Please share your comments and questions. We are ready to answer. If you like our videos, please like, share, subscribe, and recommend the channel to your friends so they can watch too. Hello, and see you again.